Are you ready to unleash your inner champion with a smartphone that's a pure powerhouse? Look no further than the redmagic 9 Pro. This incredible device from Nubia packs a punch, blurring the lines between mobile gaming and a full-fledged console experience. Get ready to delve into its cutting-edge features and why it's an absolute game-changer. The redmagic 9 Pro boasts a bold aesthetic that screams gamer. Its sleek, angular design features a customizable RGB light strip, adding a dash of personality and flair. Now, while it may not be the most discreet phone out there, this device is all about functionality. The flat edges, combined with those insanely responsive shoulder triggers, make it incredibly comfortable for extended gaming sessions. Display, immersive and fluid. Let's talk display, a massive 6.8-inch AMOLED screen with a lightning-fast 120Hz refresh rate. Everything from frantic shooters to visually stunning RPGs looks absolutely incredible. The colors are vibrant, the blacks are deep, and the responsiveness is next level. It's an absolute joy to behold. Under the hood, the redmagic 9 Pro packs the mighty Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, delivering unbridled power. Combined with generous RAM and storage, this phone crushes even the most demanding mobile games. Say goodbye to lag, stuttering, and overheating. This is pure, unadulterated mobile gaming excellence. Intense gaming sessions generate heat, but worry not. The redmagic 9 Pro boasts a cutting-edge Ice 13 cooling system. With a built-in fan that reaches incredible speeds and a massive vapor chamber, your games will run smooth as butter. The software is where this phone truly shines. Slide over the dedicated game space switch and be transported to a gamer's paradise. Here you can tweak settings, monitor performance, and even map those awesome shoulder triggers to give you a competitive edge. The 6,500 mAh battery is an absolute champ. Combined with super-fast 80W wire charging, you'll be back in the game in no time. This phone effortlessly handles a full day, even with heavy gaming. While the main focus of the redmagic 9 Pro is gaming, it doesn't completely slouch on the camera front. The triple lens setup allows for decent shots, good enough for capturing those epic gaming moments or some everyday snaps on the go. The redmagic 9 Pro isn't for everyone, but for mobile gamers, this is pure gold. It's a focused device that delivers where it counts: spectacular performance, a dazzling display, and a gaming experience that rivals portable consoles. If you're serious about mobile gaming, this is the ultimate weapon to add to your arsenal. Click the link in the description below to learn more about the redmagic 9 Pro. Let me know your thoughts on the redmagic 9 Pro in the comments below. Stay tuned for more gaming-focused reviews.